How to change bank information on DoorDash. Looking for a way to change your bank or payment information on DoorDash? In this video, I'll show you where to find your payment settings and update your current payment method. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen. Next, select Settings. From the Settings menu, look for Payment and tap on it. Here, you'll see your current payment method. To update your bank or card information, select the payment method you currently have saved. Now, enter your new payment details, including your debit card number, expiration date, security code, country, and zip code, depending on what DoorDash asks for. Once you've entered all the updated information, review the details and tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your payment information should now be updated on DoorDash. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.